All right, I think everybody can hear me. I'm just inviting everybody to join me this beautiful Wednesday. Okay, let's have a look. I think everybody can. Right. All right, how is everybody doing? I'm doing great. I am doing great. We're just going to wait for everybody to join us, and then we're going to start. Uh-huh. So, to start this day by, oh, sorry, oof, it's getting hot in here. I'm going to take off my sweater. So, what's up, Chaos? Chaos Garcia, Chaos. Chaos. All right. Hello, Yinka. How are you, mate? So, I'm back with my daily shows. Uh, you know, if you remember, my streaming was stopped, right? Because every time I went live, hello, who knows? Who knows, right? Who the fuck knows? Every time I went live, my stream dropped, right? My connection was not stable. How are you, Chris? So I had to change providers. Imbro, how are you? And now I'm back. We are back. Oh, Steven, thank you again. Yeah, this happens. You have to know something about me. Yeah, edit. There you go. Just take the first zero, the first one out. Just take the first one out, right? Yeah, sorry about that. Uh, yeah, but just take the first one out, and you will have that one. So, what my man here Steven is talking about is my latest swing trade, right? On the VIP swing trading group, we are targeting, we are targeting hips of worth of pips. So if you want to be part of that, just click the link below and subscribe to the VIP swing trading group. Swing trading is different, right? We don't swing trade every single fucking day because that makes no fucking sense. But when we find a good swing trade, setup, yeah, we do hold those a ton. So again, if you wanna swing trade with me, the link is below. How are you, Marina? Thank you, Steven, for letting me know about that. Pure pleasure. Hola, where are you located? You sound American. Who yawns? Yeah, no, I'm not American, you know. English is not my first language. And my geolocation is private, mate. King Sauce, how are you, mate? Yeah, it's the morning. Yeah, it's 9:27 a.m. for me. Live trading? Well, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. So this is oopsie. No, this is not it. This is a former trade. So this is the pound US dollar trade that I sent for free for you guys um Well, this is the pound US dollar short that I'm writing on right now. So you are more than welcome for those free pips that you took if you're not part of the VIP group. But this is just not even half of the trade. So if you want the full trade and the full trade management, I already manage it. If you want the full trade management, just subscribe to the VIP group, right? Why don't we talk about something cool like gold, right? So this is the current status of my gold longs. I'll show you here. Right. So here we go. I have two gold longs running. My first target. I mean, don't chase this trade because you are going to get burned. So I have two long on gold running. My first targets are here at the 20 around the 2000 level. I don't know if I'm going to let that run or move my. No, actually, this is a plan and I'm trading the plan. I'm sorry, right? And my other buy is absolutely not. I'm not going to close that. In the slightest sense because that, my friends, is a long-term trade for a break of all-time highs, right? So yeah, these are my gold bonds, pretty much in the green, right? Yeah, that's what I do. This is a small real account. This account just tracks our VIP trades. As you can see, this account is up on open trades almost 2%. So, I see it. I mean, I hear a ton of people, saying, yeah, but this is only a 0.01 lot trade. Well, smart ass. It is risking 1% per trade, and this is just an account that tracks our trades, and really it doesn't matter if you're trading a $5,000 account or a $5 million account, right? What matters is the thought process and the decision making process. This is what you need to focus on if you're trading a small account because I mean this is what you need to do, right? Trading, there's a ton of money to be made here in the market. So what you need to do is perfect your decision and work on your decision making process, right? Making optimal decisions every single time. Read about stoicism, right? uh, Making perfect decisions every single time, optimal decisions every single time, because one bad decision, one bad leak can sink your ship. So once you perfect your decision making process, right, you're going to start showing an upside equity curve, and then you can then move to manage funds for everybody else. The idea of turning $500 into $500,000 is very cute, but that's not going to happen. And if you start doing that, uh, you're going to start uh, trading with bad decisions. Risking too much. Letting your decision, letting the outcome of your decisions affect your future decision making process. So, yeah, just focus on what's really important, which is looking at this as percentage. And it really doesn't matter how much money you are making or losing. What matters is how your equity curve looks in percentages. Yeah, you can use any broker, I assume. Hi, do you think the latest candle on the XY is just a pullback to who the fuck knows? Let me see. I am bullish on the US dollar. Let's talk about the US dollar and let's this looks fucking sketchy, right? But you know, it is what it is. So, I haven't traded a ton the US dollar lately because of this. We are inside of a range, of a non-directional range right here. Hold on. Yeah, so we are inside of a non-directional range. I took some longs on the US dollar, which you all received as a short on the pound US dollar, right? Because of this, right? I saw a break of this. Well, this is not. I'm going to use the correct tools to draw these fucking lines. Hold on. There you go. So something like this, right? I saw a break of the immediate structure, which is this very structure, right? A break of this structure means absolutely nothing to me. So I waited for that retest of the weekly pivot, and here is where I took some longs on the USD by shorting the pound US dollar, right? I'm still holding these fucking shorts, all the pound USD, uh, you know, and that's the thing, right? I could have taken some profits here and there, but this move to the upside is quite clean on the USD. And the reason I haven't taken profits yet is because of the structure. The immediate structure is still very much active. This means that even though, and I'm just looking short term DXY, right? I'm looking short term. I'm going to delete this because this is no longer in play, and I want to draw some other line. Short term, right? We keep making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low, and I'm waiting for the fucking higher high. Right, so, but we have printed a new higher low, and which means that we are currently inside of a bullish structure. That's right, guys. We are inside of a bullish structure, and this is the structure that I am trading. There you go. To the tick. Gone. Um, all right. Let's do this. Here. No, right. So as you see, this is the structure that I'm trading at the moment. We are currently in a bullish structure, and even though, right, even though my GBP USD has retraced on me and is right now currently directional, right? If you are part of the free group, uh, I'm gonna share this with you. I normally don't share my trade management with the free group, but because you are here and this is my first live session in a while, I'm going to share with you. I move my stops to break even. Now my stops are at break even at the moment. The reason is because of this. Right now, directional moves since late yesterday and throughout the day, but we did uh, what? Yeah, we did break with yesterday's lows, and yeah, I'm not going. And this is the thing, guys. Right? This is a U.S. dollar trade, right? I don't care about the pound in this trade. This is a U.S. dollar trade. And what I'm monitoring is my currency or the currency that I'm trading, right? The US dollar. And if the US dollar does not break, this is today's lows, I reckon. Yeah. If the US dollar doesn't break today's lows, right, means it's not going to break the immediate bullish structure, which means that there is absolutely no reason for me to close that trade right now. So I'm letting it ride. I'm monitoring a price action right now on the DXY, retesting the structure, etc. Blah blah, and yeah, looking for that break above, which means that my pound US dollar will drop, and it's looking very good at the moment. This is the 2 hour chart. I'm gonna go back to the hourly chart. This hourly candle looks extremely bullish. So yeah, this for to answer your question, the latest candle, the latest fucking candle, this one right here. Yeah, I don't care about that candle. I care about the structure. I don't follow price candle to candle. That's going to drive you fucking crazy. Don't do that. Look at structure, and if you can't do that, then I don't know how. Here, use this. Use a line chart, right? Use a fucking line chart. Yeah. Or a bar chart. I used to trade with bar charts, but candles are candles. I am what I am. An old school trader. All right, ho. Sergio, ¿cómo estás, cabrón? Hi, Orlando. The Japanese yen should be close to go down. Are you guys trading in despair? Look, the you are welcome, Jack. This is why we do these live shows. The Japanese yen. That's a good fucking question. All right. The Japanese yen. Shit. So the Japanese yen. Uh, Look, this is the Japanese yen basket, FXCM's Japanese yen basket. Look at this fucking thing, right? The Japanese yen just plummeted, breaking the lows right here for about 6%. So no, right now we have no plan to trade the Japanese yen, mate. And the main reason we don't have a plan to trade the Japanese yen is because what I'm looking for is a pullback, right? I'm not going to trade the Japanese yen here at the lows. I was waiting for a pullback towards this level, but that's not going to happen, So no, I'm not looking at trading the Japanese yen. So maybe if we pull back to this level right here, can you break the Euro US dollar chart? No, mate, I can't because we have a VIP trade open on that pair. If you want to know about that chart, Olympio sent his thought process on the Euro US dollar breaking down that chart to the VIP group. So just subscribe with the link below. All right, what else? What else? What else? So my swing trade, today's swing trade, is about to get triggered. That is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's going to be a beautiful move. Boom. I sent you the chart, right? Of course, that you can't see the pricing or the name of the asset because I'm not gonna give that one for free. But we are about to get triggered, so heads up to that, mate. I mean, this trade alone could pay for a year worth of your VIP swing trading subscription. So yeah, but if you are not patient, or if you're not a patient person, don't even subscribe because I hate people, subscribing to the fucking swing trading VIP group and then sending tons of emails to support saying that they are not getting a trade every single day. That is not what goes on the VIP swing trading group. Sometimes we can spend 10 days without a trade. But when we do, we rock it. So what else? The DXY looking pretty bullish already. Um, yeah, on the hourly, right? On the hourly. Oh, right here on the 4 hour chart. Yeah, I'm not gonna go through that. That's fine. Gold. Yep, that's that's one of the VIPs, and I'm gonna share this with you because this is what patience. I mean, if you plan the trade, and trade the plan, this is my goal entry, and this is why it's important to understand where to put your stop losses, right? Because as you saw here, I got triggered here, and then I took some heat, which is fine until yesterday, you know, uh, which is fine. I took hit. I mean, I held that trade for, 1, 2, 3, 4 days before looking at that pattern. I could have taken yesterday an entry. I had a setup, but I was already in with two trades. My other trade was and still was. Yep, good man. Hey, bitches. Hello from Vegas. I love Vegas. I was in Vegas. I think I already told you. December. I think, yeah, for UFC. So, this is the thing, right? Even though I took hit here, my trade idea was still very much valid. My bias was very strongly bullish and is very strongly bullish, geopolitically speaking, fundamentally speaking, and technically speaking. So I was not going to, desperate and close my trade at a loss. My stop losses were well below the weekly lows, and that's it, mates. Now I am a very happy camper about to move my stops to break even on a break of yesterday's highs. Yep, I mean, this is what we do. No, we did not, mate. The Euro USD order did not hit stop loss. I am still very much in it. I can show you. Boom. There you go. You know, you should, I mean, to avoid that, uh, Robbie, I'm gonna call you Robbie. To avoid that, Robbie, what you should, because pricing differs from broker to broker. But this is the Euro US dollar, the most liquid currency pair. I don't know why you got hit. Maybe you got stop hunted, or maybe the spreads on your broker are massively huge. I don't know. But check. You should check always. Always check the videos explaining the rationale behind the trade. It's a 3-minute video made. Fuck. And then you're going to see the actual levels on the chart, so you can look for those levels on your chart and see your brokerage pricing is much different than ours. That with CFDs is uh, yeah, much higher. All right. So, what else? If there's nothing else, mates, I am going to stop this. I know I've been like 21 minutes, but there's nothing much going on in the markets. Another one is this. I'm about to close this one. Yeah, I probably will. Not yet, though. So, this is my Brent long, right? Which is now up 1,400 pips. Yep, that's it. 1,400 pips. I'm not gonna close it though. I already took 90% off, and I'm sorry. Yeah, 90% off. This is the last 10% off. Just writing it. Just writing. And the structure hasn't broken with. Hold on. Let me just delete this. I had The structure hasn't been broken with. We are still very much in a bullish structure, so I'm not gonna close it. If price breaks with this low, I'm pretty much happy with taking being stopped out at a profit. But this is how I let my trades ride. If you want to be part of that, this was sent to the VIP team. Yeah. So and also to the free group. So you are welcome for those. Yeah, hold on. If you want to join the VIP link, the VIP link is this one. I will send it on the chat. But there you go. You can join there. It's only 35 pounds a month. Uh, you know, if if you don't want to spend 35 pounds per month, but you are okay with losing 500 pounds per month trading, yeah, you continue doing that. I don't care about you or your trading at all. But if you're really looking to improve as a trader, you are more than welcome to join us. Right? So that's it. Thank you guys for joining me. This was a quick one, I know. Also, subscribe to the channel, man. It's free. And yeah, now that changing my connections, I'll be doing this every day. Right? So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and